guys, you see what we have here today. We have a smaller one. So this one is a so that is the capacity. This one is a diesel engine, so it's here for repair. So this one we don't change handles. For this one we don't change handle. If you have same as this one, don't worry about the handle. The handle is just okay. You just have to do the modification on the plow alone, only the plow, but nothing else. As for now, it is ready to go wherever it's supposed to go. It came just for service and we are done with the service already. But what we normally do for the long handles, these handles are for the 16 and above horsepower. Yeah, man. Please consider subscribing to that channel for more information about working tractor, and please make sure you share the video with a friend. Make sure you give a like, and make sure you don't forget about the notification bell. For every time we upload the video, you'll be the first one to get it. Don't forget, this is Rotiti Legend, aka the Kingpin Engineer in Angurai. Yeah, man.